Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to archive a workspace in monday.com. While there is no particular way to archive the whole workspace now, I will show you a little workaround. So what you could do is to click on this plus icon right here and create a folder. You can name this folder archive, press enter to save it, and now simply go to the content in your workspace, click on these three dots, click on move to folder, and click on archive. You can do this for every single one, and now as of now they are moved to this archive folder, so you could simply close or collapse this folder, and simply like that they are right here and not in your way. So it is really simple. You can delete them with this one click, and it is really this simple to give them into archive folder, and basically they are not in the way anymore. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.